like a roll, nigga. Hit the gas and I feel it in my chest. 300 black out to go through a Chevy. 300 black out.
Everybody, 100% gang. Y'all know what's going on. We're on the way to a meet right now. Just like a little pop-up meet downtown Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? So we just finna get a little footage out there, chill out there for a little bit. Also, you know what I'm saying, I done finished the bumper. So I will be finishing the video for the bumper today. So y'all don't forget about that, you know what I'm saying? Be aware, be looking out for that. I'm just finna go. I gotta wash the car first. So I wanna get a car a little quick wash because the bumper got a little dirty from me working on it. So I wanna do that. I got the camera right here for the little POV drive. You know what I'm saying? I got a new goddamn steering wheel. Time for me to go. I got a new little steering wheel holder. So you know what I'm saying? We Gucci on that. So nobody ain't gotta, you know what I'm saying, worry about getting your steering wheel all dirty. Stuff like that. So but, yeah man, that's what I got going on. Hope y'all having a good day. Good afternoon. We chilling right now. Feel me? So yeah man, I'm gonna get up with y'all once I get to this. This is another day, you know what I'm saying? The weather perfect, you feel me? So I'm like, it's a perfect day to make a video. It was raining the last couple of days, so that's why I couldn't really make a video. But yeah man, you feel me? I'm finna basically show y'all how the front bumper came out, show y'all the inside, what I done to it, you feel me? And then I'm gonna take her to the car wash. I'm gonna get a wash. I wanted to make a video after I went to the car wash, but I don't know. I should have did that. But I'm just gonna show you how it look like right now. I got my little car wash stuff I got right here. So we finna go ahead and head to the car wash. Oh yeah, I got this white inside right here. You feel me? Y'all see that, man? This player, boy. This is player. No cap, bro. That's so player. See that 100? Then I did this. Then I did the shifter. Come on, bro. Like, I don't give a fuck how y'all feel or how anybody feel. I like it. I don't know. I think that's raw. And then I'm gonna do this white. I want to do this white. This already carbon fiber. I gotta do this white or carbon. I'm actually finna make this carbon fiber probably. And then I'm finna do my back panels. I'm finna do that. You feel me? I already got the white in the background, you feel me? So I don't even need to touch that. You feel me? And I'm gonna show you this bumper for sure. This bitch done wet, bitch. That hoe done wet on my mama. Look at that. Come on, y'all. Y'all can't say I didn't do a good job on that shit. Come on, bro. Look at that. And it's dirty right now. It's not even clean. I didn't even clean it yet. For real. Y'all can't say I didn't do a good job on that. For real, bro. Y'all know what it is. Y'all can't say I didn't do a good job on that. No cap. Y'all see what it is, bro. Y'all can't say I didn't do a good job on that, bro. That shit's so clean. But I ain't do nothing else. That's really all I did to the car. But this just like a quick little video of the bumper. But actually, so once I get done with this, I'm gonna wash it, and then boom, I'm gonna make another video because I also want y'all to see how it look clean. I don't want y'all to just see how it look dirty. You feel me? Like when it's finished, like that's not how it looked like when I had cleaned it the first time I finished it. But I've been driving around for like 2 days. It's been raining, so for that motherfucker to look like that, you already know I don't have to put my work in. So you feel me? But yeah, you feel me? I'm just talking my shit. But yeah, man, I'm finna go wash it real quick. And then after I wash it, you feel me? I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get y'all better clips and footage of it. Also, yeah, we gonna go ahead and get that cold start in. She sounded good, bro. On my mama. She sounded dumb fire, bitch. I swear. Out here. Ready for anything. I don't give a fuck. Go. Quiet down. She gonna mellow out, quiet down. You feel me? What time is it? 4:02. Alright. So shit. I ain't gonna lie. I know I put these glasses on a little weird. Don't judge me. Oh, I don't know what that was. Hold up. We just had a little turn off. My first turn off. Y'all see my eyes? Ooh, what that was? What? Hold on. I know I put 93 in this thing. She acting. That was the first time she did that, man. Whoa, y'all witnessing it right now with me, man. That was the first time that happened. Damn. That's why I'm letting her warm up. Letting her get a good little warm up. But yeah, man. I ain't really got too much playing going on today. I really want to do another POV drive. So I'm probably about to do another POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Do that. And shit, and then I make another video another day. But yeah, I really just want to get this bitch bean. So that's what we're gonna go. Just letting her warm up. She's already a little warm, so I don't know what that could be. I don't know. But heck yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all. Alright, y'all, we back. I done washed the car. Gave her a little hit her with that yeah. But yeah, man. Finna let y'all see how she look now. After I done washed her. She looking like spritz. Oof. I gotta fix this. I'm finna take this off. You feel me? It's a little corny. But yeah, I got my business on here, so gotta leave that on there. You feel me? Somebody just asked about it today when I was washing the car. You feel me? So I always gotta promote. So if y'all in the Atlanta area, yeah, come get y'all shit pressure washed. But you feel me? 100% throttle. Y'all know what's going on. I done beamed her up. But yeah, the bumper. We done did the bumper, man. I done did my thing with this bumper. I think I did it. Yeah. But hell yeah, y'all, that bitch go crazy. That bitch look nice in the daytime, bro. That shit just beam, bro. Especially when you just look at it from the front. That bitch almost like a ghost. Ooh. And that's what I was going for. So you feel me? Yeah, now all I gotta do, you feel me? All I need to do is just hit the back. I'm gonna leave the wing. I might leave the wing. I'm gonna leave the wing black, but then when I do the wing, it's gonna be carbon fiber. I want the wing to be carbon fiber. You feel me? I want this to be white. Hell yeah. Only thing I probably really want black is my exhaust. The rims, I really want them to be carbon fiber. Well, I might just sell them and get some new rims in general. But I might sell her, get some new rims. But that hoe looking nice. Especially in the front. Now imagine I need to get everything else. I need to get all my trim done, bro. No cap. For real. That hoe beaming. But yeah, man. Y'all know what's going on. We thugging out here. For real. I'm definitely finna get some more POVs in. Some more POVs. I don't give a damn. We finna go crazy in Atlanta, bro. We finna tear the streets up. You feel me? Motherfuckers flying through this bitch. Ooh. Flying through this hoe. Guess what, bro? Them Hyundai boys be going crazy on my mama. But them Hyundai boys, Kia boys. But yeah, man, that's what we doing. So, heck yeah. Give y'all another peek at the inside. You feel me? Steering wheel cover white. White. Gotta do this. Probably gonna be white. White. You feel me? Them white. I'm gonna leave these how they is. You feel me? And it's gonna be a little bit more, but I ain't gonna tell y'all the rest. But for the most part, man, y'all, that's really it. Like, you feel me? Like, for what I done. I really want to do more, man, but that shit takes money, and I don't got a lot of that right now. You feel me? Once I get there, yeah, it's gonna be crazy. But you feel me? We getting there, man. I'm gonna do some more shit to the engine, but when I get like, bro, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, bro, that's when the channel really gonna change. You feel me? Like, once we get to 1,000, we'll be straight. Cause like I'm trying to get monetized, and your boy trying to get paid for this. You feel me? Like, I love doing this for fun, but at the same time, your boy trying to get his paper. You feel me? So, man, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Rock with your boy. We gonna be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm dropping all these videos, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Security trying to come through. I don't give a fuck. I'm making this video, but I'm actually here picking up my girl too, so I was like, shit, I might as well make this video and pick her ass up. You feel me? Might as well. Well, hell yeah, this nigga out here tripping, but I'm gonna have some more videos uploaded soon. I'm trying to see what's today's date. Today is the today the 11th. So this video gonna be uploaded tonight. I'm gonna upload this bitch tonight. What's going on? I'm gonna upload this shit tonight, and then probably by the end of the week, it's gonna be another video. So I'm trying to make sure I drop them motherfuckers quick, nice and quick. Yo.
The owning them be tripping. That's why I was there.
Yeah, I'm picking up my girl. She work here.
If
yeah,
you
she.
got somebody here, you good.
Yeah, she right at the daycare. Nah. I'm just making a video real quick while I'm picking her ass up. I'm about to dip though. I'm finna go get some fries and shit. Then I'm coming.
I just thought you was like a person just chilling.
Alright, nah. Alright, appreciate it, boss. Heck yeah. But I'm gonna drop another one probably by the end of this week. So I'm gonna drop that. And then we gonna be Gucci, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos, bro. Like, I'm really trying to get this content out there. I want everybody to see that shit, you know what I'm saying? So I need y'all to rock with me, you know what I'm saying? Rock with your boy, keep subscribing, keep sharing it, you know what I'm saying? Comments, liking, all that, and we gonna get there, you feel me? Like, I'm telling you, bro, I got crazy ideas in my head, but y'all just follow me, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get up with y'all another day. I'm out.